Alright, so in this video I'm just going to do a quick tutorial. I'm installing a Rexcam Dashcam, and it is model V1P Plus. I picked this up at a local Best Buy. Obviously it comes with the camera. It does come with the double-sided tape because it's not going to be via suction cup. So you do get two of these little brackets. So if you do want to move it to another vehicle, and you get, there's the other bracket, here's the other double-sided sticky tape. Comes with the memory card, of course, and the full-size SD card, so if you want to put it on a computer, if you don't have a computer that reads micro SD, comes with a little pry bar so you can tuck in the wire. This is the power cable for it, and it also comes with the rear dash cam, so you're getting both front and rear. This cable here, I imagine this being for if you want to hook it up to your laptop, take it out of your vehicle for whatever reason. And it also has these little cable management clips, and they have double-sided tape as well, so that way you can connect those wherever you want to and have them out of the way, not dangling everywhere. And of course it comes with the warranty information and things like that. So aside from that, that's pretty much all there is to it. So I'm going to be installing this, and I will be back as soon as I get this installed to show you some of the features of this web dash cam. Alright, now the camera has been installed, as well as the one in the back there. You can see it right there. This one is a little bit of a difficult angle to see for myself, but I mean, I'm not going to be looking at that when I'm driving, so not a big deal. As you can see, like from my point of view, how the image looked kind of different, but once you come down here, the picture is really clear. So it does work out really well. It does have this knob on this side as well as this side where you can adjust the angle of the camera, and there's only a few adjustments you can make because obviously you're not going to have it too high or too low, but depending on your vehicle and the angle of the windshield. Now it does have the this is where the micro SD card slot goes, your power button, and then your menu button here. Now it does have the button here for the camera and videos, or the the video and pictures that are saved on here is your record button. This is your OK button, microphone button you can turn off and on, and this it gives you different angles depending on what you want. Not really angles, but in terms of this, if you want to have the back camera as the bigger view, or the front camera, or if you want to turn the back camera off altogether, to have it on here. It'll still record, but you won't be able to see it on there. You have your cable here. This goes to the back camera, this goes to power the units, and then this is for a GPS unit if you do have that extra option, which that I don't have, I'm not concerned with. Just a quick rundown of the menu, so you can just tap it once, and as you can see, I mean, you can choose the resolution, and this is 4K by the way for the front camera. The back I believe is only 1080p. So there's you'll use the mic, the little arrow buttons here, the mic to go down, the record to go back. So there's resolution, dual record, loop recording. You can set it for, I think, let me see right quick here, off 1 or 2 minutes. I have it set for, I'm sorry, 3 minutes, 1, 2, or 3 minutes, or off. I have it set for 3 personally. You can have the date stamp, plate number, exposure, and these are just things to help adjust depending on where you live. The wide dynamic range, if you want to record the audio or not. This is the G sensor, so it detects whenever you if you stop really hard for whatever reason. It may record that if you have it set to high sensitivity. I just have it, I believe, on low, but you can set it to your liking. Wi-Fi, this is what you do whenever you want to basically send a file wirelessly. If you want to download something, say you got in an accident or you needed to record something and send it to someone else, basically you'll turn that on, and then you'll connect to it via the app that you can download, and then you'll put in the password, and you know, it hooks up really quick. You'll hook up to the Wi-Fi and do what you need to do. Now keep in mind, whenever you do connect to it via Wi-Fi, as far as I know, you won't have, you may be able to, I'm not sure, I haven't checked it out for sure. I know in past dash cams that I've had, whenever you connect to its Wi-Fi, you lose your signal, so you won't receive any calls or text messages or anything like that, but it's only while you're connected to its Wi-Fi. Other than that, once you turn it off, you're good to go. This says parking meter. This would be from whenever you are parked to detect any motion or anything like that. And that's basically it for that menu. Now It's going to take me back to this main page. Tap it again, there we go. Now we can go here to the you can set the date and time, auto power off. You can turn the beeping sound off and on, frequency depending on what country you're in, language obviously what country, daylight savings, GPS, and then you can set your time zone, screensaver, if you so choose to have that on. I don't have it on. You can format the SD card, default settings, and then the version of the software that you're using. I do apologize for that. So basically those are just some of the settings that it has on it, and then as soon as you want to go back to it, it's just one tap to set it back on that and it's going to record. So I go ahead and turn it off just because parked, don't need it on. And it also tell you what resolution you're at. I know that may be a little difficult to see, but it's showing UHD and Full HD. So now if you do have any questions, or if you want to know how to transfer the information, I mean, it's pretty straightforward, but feel free to leave a comment or ask away. And if you have any other questions about this camera, please feel free to ask.